Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Gmail's backup code. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Gmail's backup code. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser. Then after opening up the browser, click on the top right corner on your icon. There you go, on your profile. Then click on, there you go, manage Google account. So then click on security. Clicking on that to scroll down, you will see backup codes. There you go. Those are my codes. For now, I am blurring it so so you won't you won't see it. Um, so I'm just blurring it so you can see it. But yeah, that's my backup code. So you see, we can download the codes here. We can also print the codes, and here you can see right here we can also delete the code, and we have another icon right here. And when we click on this one, you see get a new set of backup code. It will give us a new set of backup code. So let's try. Get a new code. Get new codes. There you go. Now we have changed our code. As you can see, new backups codes have been created. But for now, guys, I'm sorry I'm blurring this because I don't want somebody using my somebody just might use my Gmail with my codes. But backup codes, they are a way to process your Google account. If you can't use the two-step verification like your phone or authentication app, there is special helper if you lose your phone or can't receive verification codes. What they are is a set of 10 one-time use codes, each 8 digits long. So the purpose of this is to, for example, you lose your phone, or maybe you don't have anything to verify that it's you. This is the only way you can verify yourself by using the backup codes. So yeah, there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys when doing this. Um, take a picture of it, or maybe just send it to yourself in your Google Gmail, or if not, just send it to yourself in your Messenger. That will be helpful. Another tip for it. Store your backup codes in a secure or offline place, so you won't need on to use any online when searching them, because keep them somewhere you can access even if you lose your phone or internet access, like a locked drawer, maybe a safe, or a password protected USB drive. Just avoid saving them in plain text on your phone or cloud storage unless it's encrypted. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.